Today we introduce you to urban food systems and food environments. The urban food system refers to the process by which food is produced, distributed, consumed, and turned into waste within our cities. It includes all aspects of the food system from production and distribution to retail, consumption, and waste. The urban food system is complex and dynamic, involving a wide range of actors and institutions, from small-scale farmers and informal food vendors to large-scale retailers and government agencies. The urban food system can be conceptualized as a set of interrelated subsystems that work together to provide food to urban populations. These subsystems include production, processing, distribution, retail, consumption, and waste. Each subsystem is interconnected, and changes in one subsystem can affect the others. The production subsystem of the urban food system includes all activities related to the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of food. This can include small-scale urban agriculture, such as rooftop gardens and community gardens, as well as larger-scale agriculture in peri-urban areas surrounding the city. The production subsystem also includes food processing, such as canning, freezing, and packaging. The distribution subsystem of the urban food system involves the transportation and storage of food from the production subsystem to the retail subsystem. This can include large-scale distribution networks, such as wholesalers and distributors, as well as informal food distribution networks. The retail subsystem of the urban food system includes all outlets where food is sold to consumers. This can include large-scale retailers, such as supermarkets and hypermarkets, as well as informal street food vendors and food markets. The consumption subsystem of the urban food system involves the individual and collective food choices made by urban residents. This includes the type of food that is consumed, as well as the quantity and frequency of consumption. The consumption subsystem is influenced by a wide range of factors, including cultural norms, levels of income, as well as levels of access to food. Access to food is significantly influenced by the food environment of urban residents. In contrast to the urban food system, the food environment refers to the physical, economic, and social factors that influence food choices and access to food. The food environment includes all aspects of the built environment that affects food access, such as the location and density of food outlets, as well as the price and quality of food. In the African context, this is largely influenced by the colonial legacies of many cities, where the urban poor remained located on the periphery of the city centre, relying predominantly on informal food traders. The food environment can also be influenced by policies and regulations such as zoning laws and, in the context of many African cities, a colonial history as well. In addition, social and cultural factors such as food preferences and dietary habits can also shape the food environment. While the urban food system and the food environment are closely related, they differ in several important ways. The urban food system is focused on the production, distribution, consumption, and waste of food within a city, whilst the food environment is focused on the broader socioeconomic and physical factors that influence food access and food choice. Despite these differences, the urban food system and the food environment are closely linked, and changes in one can have important and significant implications for the other. For example, changes in the urban food system, such as the expansion of supermarkets into low-income areas, could reduce the availability of fresh food due to the displacement of informal food traders as a result of the supermarket expansion. Similarly, changes in the food environment, such as the implementation of policies and regulations towards food, can help to shape the urban food system and promote more sustainable and equitable food systems. Overall, the urban food system and the food environment are two important and interrelated concepts that are critical to understanding food access, food security, and food systems in urban areas.